Hi, fourth grade, it's Mrs. Hubler. So this week we're looking at understanding scientific text. This is going to be the last teacher assigned closed read lesson that you have to do. And then remember, after that, we're almost there to summertime, but I want you to work really, really hard this week and give it all you've got. I want to go over with you the best way to go through this lesson so that you can get your best possible score. Okay, so make sure that you watch all the videos that go along with understanding scientific texts. So first of all, when you get to this first screen and it says read to understand, make sure that you're looking at all of the parts. So what's that big question? What are rocks and minerals? And what are the different types of rocks and minerals? We should know all about this because fourth grade, we study those rocks and minerals. Atom, erode, particle, sediment, derived, and durable. Those are some words to know. And if we see them in the text, I bet we can click them with the little blue button. Our read to analyze section is how do rocks form and change over time? And when we're reading to write, if you were starting a rock collection, what kind of rock would you most want to find? Okay, it is really important to know what you're looking for. So you really want to be able to identify text features and just use all of the headings to help you do your very best job.
Ready for our first read? It's important to read every sentence carefully. It's a big job, so don't worry, we'll do it together. I'll send you messages, and by the time we're done, you'll be an expert.
So the text we're looking at is Extreme Rocks and Minerals by Melissa Stewart. So one of the things that I like to do when I open up a nonfiction text, especially a science text, is figure out what am I going to be reading, and you learn that by looking at your headings and your subheadings. So what is a mineral? So we're going to learn about minerals, even though I know we learned about this in science. You should do great on this, guys. I know you could do it, and gals. How does the model behind this diamond help you understand its structure? Okay, so how does this model help you out? And then this gold nugget contains billions of gold atoms. When it is refined and combined with other metal, gold can be used to make beautiful jewelry. Ooh la la. All right. When you look at a mineral such as this diamond, you can't see the tiny atoms it is made of, but a model can help you understand a mineral's structure. In this model, the black balls represent the carbon atoms that make up a diamond. The gray pieces represent the bonds between the two atoms. So it's talking about the picture that's behind our big diamond. That's our model behind it. A mineral is a natural crystalline material that is not alive and has never been alive. Copper and diamonds are minerals, but wood is not. There are currently 4,217 different minerals on Earth. Like everything in the world, minerals are made of tiny particles called atoms. Gold is always made of gold atoms, and diamonds are always made of carbon atoms. Gold and diamonds each contain just one kind of atom, but most minerals contain two or more. Quartz is one of the most common minerals in Earth's crust. It contains two kinds of atoms, silicon and oxygen. Calcite contains three kinds of atoms, calcium, carbon, and oxygen. Each mineral has its own special arrangement of atoms. So we've got some different images to look at, and now we have a question that we're going to come up to. When we're looking at picking the best sentence that tells us what a mineral is, we really need to choose one that tells us about more types